Hey everyone, I'm Chris from GamerTechToronto and welcome to our PC building series with Intel Core Ultra. Building a premium gaming PC isn't just about throwing together the most expensive parts. It's about choosing the right combination of performance, cooling, and efficiency to get the best experience for your needs. Today we're building a high-performance gaming rig powered by Intel's Core Ultra 9 285K and MSI's premium lineup of components. This system is designed for smooth 4K gaming, high refresh rate, competitive play, and heavy multitasking like streaming, video editing, and AI-powered workloads. Before we jump in, a huge thanks to MSI for partnering with us on this build. They provided some of the best hardware on the market, optimized for gamers, streamers, and creators who need top-tier performance. Before we start assembling, let's talk through our parts and how to choose the right components for a high-end gaming or content creation build. For this build, we're using the Intel Core Ultra 9 285K that's built for gamers and content creators who demand top-tier performance. It has cutting-edge AI capabilities, cooler operation, and quieter performance for desktop gaming. With up to a 24-core hybrid architecture, it provides intelligent power efficiency for the most demanding tasks. It's the perfect match for the MSI RTX 5070 Ti Gaming Trio OC, plus a high-end GPU built for 4K gaming, ray tracing, and AI-enhanced graphics. When picking a CPU and GPU, it's important to keep them balanced. A high-end GPU with a lower-range CPU can cause bottlenecks, while an overpowered CPU with a lower-powered GPU won't maximize your gaming potential. For the RAM, we've got 64 GB of Kingston Fury Beast RGB DDR5 RAM, ensuring fast load times, smooth multitasking, and high bandwidth for gaming, streaming, and creative work. When choosing RAM, higher speeds and DDR5 support provide the best future-proofing, especially for AI-driven applications and demanding workflows. For the storage, we're using the MSI Spatium M482 Gen 4 2TB NVMe. It delivers ultra-fast game load times, quick boot speeds, and seamless file transfers. If you want a snappier system, NVMe SSDs outperform the traditional SATA drives, with PCIe Gen 4 and 5 modules offering the fastest speeds. To maintain peak performance, we're using the MSI MEG CORELIQUID A15 360mm AIO cooler. This keeps temperatures in check even under heavy workloads. Whether you choose air cooler or liquid cooler, good case airflow is very important. Ensuring proper intake and exhaust helps prevent heat buildup. The MSI MEG Maestro 700L PZ is the foundation of this build, offering premium airflow, a spacious interior, and high-end aesthetics to complement a powerful PC setup. We're going to be pairing it with the MSI MEG Ai1600T PCIE5 PSU, a high-efficiency, fully modular power supply. This ensures stable performance and reliability even in high-end builds. A reliable PSU is essential. Look for at least an 80+ gold rating to ensure efficiency and enough wattage for future upgrades. With all the right parts in place, this build is optimized for gaming, streaming, and AI-powered workloads, ensuring top performance and long-term reliability. Now, let's start building. Before assembling your PC, setting up a clean, organized workspace is important to avoid mistakes. Always make sure that your motherboard's BIOS supports your CPU before installing it. Updating the BIOS before assembling the full system can save you a lot of time and unnecessary troubleshooting. The CPU is the heart of the system, so let's start by installing the Intel Core Ultra 9 285K into the motherboard. Go ahead and lift the CPU retention bracket on the motherboard. Align the gold triangle marker on the CPU with the one on the socket. Gently lower the bracket and secure it in place, just like so. A little tip, never force the CPU into place. If it doesn't just drop in smoothly, double check the alignment. This processor is ideal for gamers, streamers, and creators who need high clock speeds, AI-powered acceleration, and seamless multitasking. With its cutting-edge cores, it's Intel's fastest ever CPU designed for desktop enthusiasts. It delivers game-changing performance at 1440p and 4K, ensuring buttery smooth extended gameplay all while slashing system power usage. For fast gaming performance, we're installing 64 GB of Kingston Fury Beast RGB RAM and the MSI Spatium M482 2TB NVMe SSD. Let's start by inserting the RAM into the correct dual channel slots and listen for the click. Next, let's install the NVMe SSD into the M.2 slot for ultra-fast storage speeds, just like so. You can also enable XMP in the BIOS after installation to run the RAM at its full rated speed. To keep our Intel Core Ultra 9 cool under load, we're using the MSI MEG CORELIQUID A15 360mm AIO. Next, we're going to start by applying a pea-sized amount of thermal paste onto the CPU, just like so. Then secure the cooling block in place. Now with everything installed onto your motherboard, it's time to place it in the case. When you're doing this, you want to make sure you align the motherboard with the pre-installed standoff screws. Next, we're going to secure it in place using a magnetic screwdriver. This is going to help prevent screws from slipping into the case. This is the latest MSI 1600 watt power supply. It delivers amazing power efficiency and it's absolutely stunning with all gold everywhere. This is definitely a flagship power supply. I absolutely love it. Now let's go ahead and mount the power supply into the bottom compartment of the case. With the power supply now in place, it's time to connect your CPU power cable before you install the liquid cooler. It's going to make your cable management a lot easier later on. On a side note, if your motherboard has a built-in I/O shield, it makes installation a lot easier and helps prevent dust buildup in the back panel. Also with your power supply, just go ahead and connect all the necessary cables to the motherboard, such as the GPU and any other storage devices you might have. Another pro tip is you should always put the cables behind the case. It's going to make a much nicer, cleaner looking case and it has better airflow that way. Now that I have all the cables connected, the next thing you want to do is go ahead and install your AIO, just like so. Over here, there's going to be some screws, so let's go ahead and screw it in. Now it's time to talk fans. For this case, we're going to be side mounting the fans. So personally, I like to do it in this orientation. This is intaking air. It's a lot better for airflow and it gets less dust in your case. So let's go ahead. We're going to mount it just on the side and it's going to look really nice. This is the brand new MSI RTX 5070 Ti gaming trio. It's going to be the powerhouse behind our gaming performance. So now let's go ahead and insert it into our PCIe slot. One quick thing to note, this is going to be a vertically mounted case, so you want to make sure you put it into the top Gen 5 slot for maximum performance. So now let's go ahead and just slot it right in. Now that you've built your PC, all that's left is to check your power and your component connections and then simply hit that power button. Wow, beautiful. This is absolutely stunning, and you even got the vertically mounted GPU. It's got that nice je ne sais quoi. And just like that, this PC is ready to go. And you can find the full range of Intel Core Ultra CPUs at your local tech retailer. If you have any questions or run into any issues with your own build, drop a comment below and we'll do our best to help. As part of the series, we'll be building more PCs just like this and providing deep, in-depth advice, so don't forget to subscribe.